have a Jeep SRT 6.4 liter engine with code P0330, which is a NOx sensor bank 2. Let me show what I found here. Bank 2 is the passenger side. You go down here, you look up there, you see that is melted. Wow, even the plug is melted right there. Sound like I think this engine maybe was less on oil, or it's close to the exhaust, and somehow it gets overheated and melted. I've never seen that before. Even the block too is burned. I'm going to replace that sensor and the block. Okay, so the problem is why the NOx sensor is melted, because no heat shield. So this is the NOx sensor and this is the heat shield right here, and this is the part number if someone need it right here. So that's why the heat coming out from the exhaust go through the this is the part number right here, left or right, I believe both is the same. That's why the heat coming from the exhaust to the NOx sensor, and it melted like this right away. Yeah, so I'm going to order that sensor and the heat shield. This is a 13mm bolt. Just disconnect the plug and get a socket and a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and get that off easy, and then you get a new one, and then you can use the bolt. You can use the same bolt. Sometimes the new one comes with bolt, or you can order the bolt itself. I think yes, number 6 right here. Number 6 hex flange bolt is just like $4.68, and there is the part number. This is a 2017, by the way. I believe all the same. Got this NOx sensor even working for the 2014 Dodge. I forget what the Dodge Easy Feet, Dodge Durango, the Hemi engine. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.